Welcome to Think Digitalization. This is where technology, AI, and smart digital strategies come together. If you want to stay ahead in today's digital world, you're in the right place. Now, let's get into today's topic.
By 2026, video editing will look completely different from what most creators expect. Not because editors are disappearing, but because the way editing is done is changing fast. AI tools now cut the dead space, color a scene, sync the dialogue, and drop in captions before your coffee.
For years, editing meant long hours. Cutting clips, adding captions, adjusting pacing, exporting formats. It was technical, it was time-consuming, and it required a lot of manual effort. But that was then.
Today, AI already handles a large part of that work. It can cut silence automatically, it can generate captions in real time, it can reformat videos for any platform, it can even suggest pacing based on retention data. All while you stay focused on creating.
What does that mean for editors? It means the role is shifting. Less clicking, more decision-making. Editors become directors of tools, not operators. The work gets faster, the storytelling gets sharper, and the people behind it, they lead the tools.
Creators who understand this don't work harder. They work smarter. They focus on story, on structure, on clarity, while AI handles the repetition. Work smarter, create better. Let AI handle the busy work and lean into what only you can do.
If you want to stay ahead of where content is going, not where it's been, create the future. Powered by ideas, connected minds, and real-time insight. Follow Think Digitalization.
Everything you've seen today is part of the digital future. And here on Think Digitalization, we break it down clearly. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep thinking digital.